There guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video we are learning motion graphics. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing we need to do is open the Inshot app. Then we go ahead to tap blank clip. Next we are going to tap duration and set the duration for the entire clip. To put it in mind that this duration should be longer than every other clip we are going to create. Just set mine at 14 seconds. Now we go ahead to tap text and put the divide symbol. Then we just extend the text to almost the end of the clip, but definitely not the end. I extended mine to 10 seconds of the video. Move the divide symbol, or let's just call it our slider, to the left side of our clip. At the start of the clip, we are going to place a keyframe while the divide symbol remains where it is. Then we move our timeline to the end of our text clip, not the end of our entire video, end of our text clip, and place a keyframe there. We are then going to move our timeline to the middle of our text clip, but this time around we'll move our slider to the right side of our video and place a keyframe. Then we'll go ahead to save the clip. You necessarily don't need to rename the clip. As a video editor, I might need it for a future project. Next step is to go ahead and tap new and import a blank clip. Tap text and type in our desired first text. For this video, I'm just going to type in motion. Then we go ahead to pick the font we want and set our duration to 12 seconds. Then we just save it. Import a new clip and type in our next text, graphics. Our font has already been set, so we just need to set our video duration to 12 seconds. Then save the clip again. For this tutorial, I'm just going to save every clip in 1080 pixels. Our next step is to tap blank once again. Import our first video created, the slider video, using PIP. Don't use the drafted one in your editing software. We import from our device. Then we import the second video. This is the motion video, using PIP again. Tap blend, lightning, then we tap autofill. Next thing is to go ahead and tap mask. We tap the first mask and rotate the mask tool and place it on our slider. We are then going to place a keyframe. We play the video, and when the slider reaches the right side of the video, we place another keyframe there. Tap mask and we move the mask tool to where our slider is and place another keyframe there. When we play the video and the slider reaches the tip of the last letter in our text, we pause the video, tap mask, and move the mask tool to the point the slider is at, and then we place another keyframe. Play the clip, and when our slider reaches the left side, we tap mask and move our mask tool to the slider once again. Our keyframe once again. This is what we should add after this step. For our last step, just like the video shows, we are going to import the last video where we want the transition to occur. import our graphics clip. Tap blend, lightening, and then autofill. Tap mask and rotate the mask tool and place it where the slider is right now. Then we place our beloved keyframe right there. Play the video, and when the slider reaches the left side, tap our keyframe, tap mask and move the mask tool to the slider. And voila, we are done. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll definitely catch up in my next one.